Hi students, in this lecture I am writing a program in C programming language. Find ASCII value of a character. First I am click on the file menu and then new and source file. Here I have a source file to write a C program. I am start writing C program hash include stdio.h means it's a standard input output header files are included in this preprocessor directory. What are the files are there in this program, that all files are included in this preprocessor directory. Press enter and entry of the program int main. Here I am using int main function to enter of this program, and body of the program will be open. Within the flower brackets you have to write what you want to get the result from this program. That all information you should write in this within the flower brackets. And a variable declaration, we are writing the program that is find ASCII value of a character. Means here I am taking the data type is a char. We are find out in the character ASCII value. That's why here I am taking char data type and variable. Means it's a data type space a variable. It's a variable declaration. How to declaring variables in C program. End of the line end with semicolon. Press enter and printf means it is an output device. Means whatever that information you have to displayed on the screen, you have to shown on the screen with the help of the printf. That all information you have to write in printf within the double quotes. Enter a character, enter a character, end of the line end with semicolon, and scanf performs like an input device. Whatever the information you want to display on the screen, that all information scanned inside of the scanf. Means data type specifier and address of the variable. Here we are taken that C variable. C variable, that variable is declared inside of the char data type. Means we have to know the character format specifier. %c is a character format specifier, comma ampersand c means it's the address of the variable, and end of the line end with semicolon. Press enter and we have to declare we have to shown on the screen that output information with the help of the printf. And within the double quotes you have to mention that what you want to display shown on the screen. ASCII value of %c. %c means it's nothing but it's a character. %c equals to %d comma c and end of the line end with semicolon, and return 0. Here you just observe printf ASCII value of %c. We are initializing, we are displaying on the screen. %c is nothing but it's a character. For example, you are entered on the output in that command prompt, on the command prompt. For example, here I am entering ASCII value of a equals to %d. For example, what is that value of a character? Means that value is must and should be in that integers. Means that value is an integer means it's a have a format specifier %d. C is a character, and character value that is included in this %c equals to %d, and return 0. It's terminating the program. We return 0 and then save my program. Click on file menu and click on save. We have to know the source file of C program. Source file is there, and I'm saving my program b1 dot c. b1 is a file name and dot c is an extension of C programs. Click on save, and here I am compiling my program. That means any errors or there in my program, I'm checking for errors. Click on execute and click on compile, and I don't have any errors in this program and zero warnings. Means I will go with run my program. Click on run. Command prompt shown on the screen will be open. Command prompt will be open. You have to enter a character. Here I am entering the character is a B. B is a one character. I am pressing enter. ASCII value of B is a 98. Our program is done.